This is Irontrader. It is Thursday morning, so we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, on natural gas, the EIA report will be out today at 10:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Let's take a look here at crude there first, okay? So yesterday we had a big green day, held that 100 SMA here and rallied right up and held that key 8-day and 21-day here, okay? So now you notice that this 8-day did not cross over that 21-day, but we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now today, so far, we have an inside day, and all that means is your high, your low is the inside of the high and low here of the previous day, okay? So what we're looking for here on the upside, take a look at that first, is right here. This is going to be your resistance level, is going to be 81.98. That's going to be very key. That's your 21-day. And then we have your 32.06. That is your 8 SMA here. Now, again, if we get above that, then we can look at today's highs. You have 82.27, and then we can just start rallying right up here. You have 82.58. We can look at yesterday's high at 83.10, and then we can work yourself all the way up to the candle up here of 83.74, and your big retest there is 84.52. But again, that being said, I like to tell you where it's going to possibly go, but you got to get above this key level here, this 81.98 and this 82.05 level here. That's going to be very, very crucial. Now, downside, there's one key level right here that we're going to be looking for, is going to be that 80.07 on a closing basis, okay? So now we're back into this pinball action between the 100-day and the 21 and the 8-day here. So this is going to be very, very key here on a closing basis, that 80.70. If that is lost, then we look to yesterday's low. You're looking at 80.45, and then we look here, you're looking at 80.22, and then we're looking down here to 79.59. That's your 50 SMA here, and then we have support there at 78.96, which is your 200 simple moving average. Now, these blue lines here, these are price channels, okay? So I had a couple of questions on there. You know, some people that are new here to the site, they want to know what these are. Just, I say, price channels, and all what they do is they just measure the bottoms and the tops of the candles. But see, it makes life very easy, okay? I don't know what I did there. It makes a life real easy here, because then all we have to do is just bring that price channel across. But why? The reason I like these, now there's different ways you can use Bollinger Bands, you can use clouds, there's all kinds of stuff, but I just found out that over the years that these work the best. What I like is when you have a sell-off like this here, okay, well, it leaves the price channel on the other side. So what you have is then you have your resistant level. So when you bring over the top of this candle here, that was 84.46. That was your candle. And see, that was your resistance levels right there. Okay, so if it goes to the next one, then we just follow that candle. But it's easy to say, hey, I can just look at this price channel and I can just bring that right across, and I know exactly where my resistant levels are going to be. I said, so that's why they work really good, and they're really dead accurate, because all they are just tops and bottoms of the candles. Okay, so when you trade the candlesticks, always remember what you want to do is you always want to watch. Okay, I'll take like yesterday's candle for an example. You want to watch that high 83.10, you want to watch that low at 80.45, and you want to watch the close at 83.10. All that information is sitting right up here. Okay, so that's what you want to trade them. That's going to be your support and resistance levels there. Okay, so look at your MACD. Hey, your green is still below your red here. That's a sell signal. That's not good. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out here. But realistically for today, this is what you'll want to watch on the upside, at 81.98, and then we want to watch that 82.05. Okay, so that is very key on a closing basis. And on the downside right here, very, very crucial, that 80.70. If that's lost, we can follow the candles down, but realistically, 79.59, that's going to be your target, and then possibly your 200-day after, right underneath there, okay? So just remember that. Just trade this range until she breaks out one way or the other. Now, natural gas here, you can see where she just, well, she's falling right off the old cliff here, you know. But then again, this is nothing that we didn't know and that haven't pointed out with the negative divergence here, the sell signal here, the bearish cross on the 8-day over the 21-day. There's nothing here that that you didn't know in advance. Okay, so there's no reason here to lose money on natural gas here. All you have to do is follow the charts. Very, very simple. Now your 8-day is keep right on down here. Looks like it wants to cross over that 100-day. Your 21-day already crossed the 50-day. Looking for that cross your 200-day. This is completely bearish chart. completely bearish chart. There's nothing positive about this in any which way. Now, when you look for chart patterns here, what we had, your head, your left shoulder, your right shoulder, typical head shoulders pattern, and boom, all the way on down. See, so you add up all the signs together, this is a short. Okay, so KOLD has been a really good scalper for me. Now, I don't hold this overnight natural gas here, but what I do is just trade it. Okay, now again, if we can get back above this 888 simple moving average and close above, then we'll take a nice long trade all the way on up. Okay, so let's just look at what we have we're trading again. So yesterday's low, we got as low as 2.01. Okay, so today here so far we got as low as 2.02. Okay, so we want to watch yesterday's low. That's that 2.01. And all you have to do is just look to the left of the chart here. Okay, so what we do here is you look at the high here, 2.05. Well, we lost that. Then we come over here, 2.01. Okay, see, so that's your support level. Now, next to the line here, if that's lost, we'll look right here to the top of this candle. Okay, there's your 2 flat. And then we'll come over here to the top of this candle. You're looking at 197. Okay, and then what we do is we'll look here to the bottom here. You're looking at 195. And then here's your big target here is going to be your 190. See, so you bring this price channel here, just bring that bad boy right across. That's what we got. Now, this is going to be very strong. This was that contract roll. It gapped and it held that here for 5 days, and then she rallied up very, very nicely. Now, on the way down, that becomes support level. Okay, so again, if that is lost, then we'll come over here to the top of this candle. You're looking at 167. Okay, so 190 is your gap, 167 is there your fill. Now, I'm not saying it's going to get all the way down there. We don't know where this is actually going to go, because now we're starting to get below here to 30 level. This is starting to get into oversold conditions kind of a situation. Okay, so we've got to see here, but what we're looking for is a reversal candle. Okay, so I'll show you what we're looking for. It's easier to see on here. See what we have here? That's a reversal candle. See this? That's a reversal candle right here. See, that's a reversal candle. We're looking for something where you're going to sell down and then pop right back up here. What they call that the old red dog. Okay, but we got to see how this is all going to shake out, or we can have like we have here right now is we have a higher low and then she rallies on up here. Okay, so realistically, what you want to do is just today is watch yesterday's low, that 2.01. Okay, that's going to be very, very key. If that is lost, okay, then we just follow these candles here all the way down where you have your there's your 2.01 here. Then we have your 2 flat. Okay, then we have your 197 here. You have 195, and then your 190 level here. That's what you're going to be looking for here if it keeps right on selling. Now, upside, well, we have to go to the next level here then. Okay, so we're looking at the bottom of that candle here. You're looking at that 2.14, very, very key. And then we're going to look at the 100-day at 2.18, and then we have your 8-day at 2.21. Okay, this is everything. Now I can point out all the candles where we can go all the way above here to the thing, up to your 200 SMA here, but that doesn't mean anything. Right now, this is everything, is this 8 simple moving average. You get above that, then we can go to the 200-day, the 21-day, and your 50-day. But if it doesn't get above this and close above this, it's going sideways to down. It's just that simple. Okay, look at the chart here. Look how many days. Okay, that's 8-day. It just stopped it right in its tracks. Okay, see, that's all you got to do. Just look how many days here that it's just stopped it. Boom. Look at this, all the way down. This is why you trade the charts. Okay, keep it simple. Okay, trade the charts. Don't have no opinion. Okay, just trade what's in front of you, not what you want. Okay, so right now, what you're going to be looking at here is this candle of yesterday. The high is 2.20, the bottom is 2.01, and you close at 2.05. Okay, this is what you're looking at. This is what you're trading against there today. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here for midday trading. We'll take a look at crude oil, natural gas, and then we'll see what else we can throw in the oil mix. Okay, thanks for watching.